This video shows how to make contingency tables, stacked bar charts, and pie charts in StatCrunch. To make a contingency table, first I'm going to go to Stat, Tables, Contingency with Data. For the row variable, I'm going to choose the explanatory variable, which in this case is gender. For the column variable, I'm going to choose the response variable, which in this case is how students feel about their weight, or weight feel. I'm going to display the row percent, and I'm not using a chi-square test for independence right now, so I'm going to control-click on chi-squared test for independence to get rid of that. I'm using a PC right now. And I'm going to compute. I have my contingency table results. I only want the tables right now, so I'm going to highlight the tables. I'm going to use Control-C, or on the Macintosh, Command-C to copy. I'm going to go to Microsoft Word. I'm going to paste using Control-V or Command-V on a Macintosh. The rest of the information from StatCrunch I would type as sentences rather than pasting it. To make a stacked bar chart, I would go to Graph, Bar Plot with Data. For the column, I'm going to choose the explanatory variable, which is gender. For Group By, I'm going to choose the response variable, which is weight feel. For the grouping options, I'm going to choose stack bars, and type, I'm going to choose percent within category, and compute. And this makes a stacked bar chart showing the percentages within each category. And then make sure you add a title using the menu at the bottom left corner. In order to make a pie chart, go to Graph, Pie Chart with Data. For the column, choose the response variable. This is the opposite of how I did the stacked bar chart. The response variable for the column is going to be weight feel. For the group by, choose the explanatory variable, which is gender. For display, we're going to display the count and percent of total, which is already selected. Compute, and again, add the title using the menu in the bottom left corner. This concludes my demonstration of how to make contingency tables, stacked bar charts, and pie charts.